Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying versions so changes apply correctly. Backups prevent loss. First, open your Fivem resources folder and find Vehicle Meta, handling, Meta, and any lighting shader files. Once located, enable the client console so you can watch errors as you edit. Make a quick copy of the resources folder to a backups directory. After that, note installed lighting mods. Conflicts often cause dim output. This gets you into editing immediately and prevents needless rework later. Now you modify the core values that control brightness. Open shader files and raise intensity and range parameters. Change fall-off to reduce rapid dimming. Then edit Vehicle Meta entries, boost beams, exposure, and attenuation numbers for headlights and rear lights. Make sure handling, Meta or any RPF overrides are not clamping night brightness. Adjust those tables accordingly. Save each file and keep changes small so you can revert. After editing, restart Fivem to load new assets and watch the console for shader compile messages. You finish by testing changes in multiple conditions: night, rain, and tunnels. Spawn vehicles and compare screenshots to confirm improvement. Tweak values in small increments for balance. If dim lights persist, clear the Fivem cache and rebuild resource manifests, then restart the client. If that fails, disable other lighting or shader mods one at a time to isolate a conflict. One key troubleshooting tip: check console errors for missing texture or shader compile failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.